This is part 3, which is a wire examination. The police have asked you to compare a set of wire cutters found on suspect A and a set of diagonal cutters that were found on suspect B. Both suspects were seen fleeing the scene of a car that had its window broken and a car stereo stolen. So inside the car there was a wire that was cut. They recovered the wire and have brought it here, and they're asking you to compare to see if this wire matches any of the implements here, either item A or item B, if either of these could have been cut by one of the suspects. So we're going to do a few things that I would like you to do, and that is I would like you to look at overall item A, the cutting features, item B, what the actual cuts they make, and then compare it to the wire we see. So I'm going to take some photos and you can look at them a little up more close. So let's look at item A first. Here is item A. Item A are wire cutters. Here is the cutting mechanism, and the blade is actually right up here. Oops, sorry. So this is the cutting mechanism and the blade. So if you were to cut something from item A, what ends up happening with these wire cutters is it makes a round over, like a pulled over on the wire. No diagonal mark whatsoever, just it looks like it's pulled over. So we could actually take the wire itself and try to cut it, and it's going to, since one moves over the other, it's going to create this. Oops, we'll get the shielding off. It's going to create a rounded over mark. Actually, these are quite dull, but it'll create a round over where one goes over the other. So what you're looking at is something like this. So this would be cut from a rounded over spot. So I'll leave it there so you can take an image and draw it. Again, this is A. And if we look at B, B is a pair of diagonal cutters. So there they are. Here are the cutting mechanisms. And when you cut a wire with B, you end up with a rooftop cut. So turn the wire on its side so you can kind of see this little rooftop. It's not rounded over anymore. It looks like a little rooftop has been cut. So if we were to take a wire and cut it with B, you end up with, oops, get you over here, that rooftop cut. That would be cut by item B. Okay? B would be the rooftop. So here's item B. There is that rooftop cut. So now you have to actually look at the wire itself. This is the wire that was submitted. The wire we're looking at and the cut is all the way up top here.